Hey guys, John Engel here, and today we're going to talk about G-wagons. Now, I know that I've been talking about that on my channel for a while, and I want one for a daily driver, but let's go back to the heritage of the G-wagon, all the way back to when they were a military vehicle, and today that's what we're going to look at. We're going to look at a Wolf Edition G-wagon. Stay tuned. Hey guys, John Engel here, and I've got some great news. Today we're going to fix that by installing a brand new double din. So today we're going to do an oil change and replace those. So directly behind me is a Mercedes G-wagon. It's a 1990 GD 250 Wolf, and the Wolf is the designation for a military vehicle. Now, back in the day, that's really all Mercedes made the G-wagon for, was military. Nowadays, we use it for soccer practice and taking our kids to go get ice cream, which is what I want. But I will tell you, I was up at Car Cave and checking out this car. They told me it's going to auction. So if you're interested in something like this, please go check out R&M's auction site. But I thought I'd show you some of the cool features on this vehicle that make it a little bit different than a normal G-wagon. Obviously, you can tell right from the start that there is no top on this one. It's a convertible, which makes it very cool. It's the two-door version, very nice. If you go around back, you can see that there's a jerry can on the rear. But I'm going to tell you what. R&M Auctions and the Car Cave have done a really good job of putting together a promotional video for this vehicle. So why don't I let the experts tell you a little bit more about it?
Hello, I'm Ramsey Potts, car specialist with RM Sotheby's. Let's take a moment and talk about a very special vehicle available in our Open Roads North America online-only sale. When you think of the Mercedes-Benz brand, the thoughts that come to mind are naturally luxury, comfort, German engineering, reliability, but another name that you should think of is rugged. Within the Mercedes-Benz line, there was a particular brand. We all know it as the G-wagon. It has come in many different formats and many different styles. The particular one that we're going to talk about and is available in our sale is the Mercedes-Benz 250 GD Wolf. Now, what makes this vehicle so special is that Wolf designation. That means that this vehicle started its life as a military vehicle. Truly robust, truly rugged. The unique characteristics that give it that Wolf name are it has a fold-down windshield, it has dual lockers for its four-wheel drive system, and it has the ability to go just about anywhere because it's powered by a 2.5-liter Mercedes-Benz diesel. There are many wonderful features about this 250 GD Wolf. In the back of the vehicle, there's a jerry can to carry your extra diesel fuel. When we get into the cockpit, there's quilted seats that provide the comfort you desire when heading down the road. And up front, along with the 2.5-liter diesel, there's a special feature that I find quite unique. Whenever you need it, you just simply pop the bonnet and there's a shovel. From within the Mercedes 250 GD Wolf, it's quite comfortable. I'm 6'3", I feel just fine in the comfortable quilted seats. The vehicle also comes with a black soft top for any type of condition or environment. It is showing fewer than 400 kilometers since the frame-off restoration. See you down the road. When we think about this vehicle, we need to know that it was fully restored from the ground up. It's a military vehicle, but now it has the features that make it roadworthy and comfortable for you. The vehicle has 4 speeds, it has all of the many features of a military vehicle, and at the same time, the modifications during the process of the restoration have made it comfortable and ready to go down the road. This vehicle is being offered at no reserve in our open road sale. Go to rmsotheby's.com, be sure to log in or register to bid, then you'll be able to click on the View Files box when you're looking at the Wolf and you'll be able to see all of the documentation and history that we have on the vehicle. Truly unique, truly something special, and unlike almost any other G-Wagon on the road today because of its military ruggedness and yet built for street comfort.
I hope you enjoyed that video. They did an outstanding job of detailing the car and also giving you some actual driving shots, and Ramsey gave some good information about the car as well. One of my favorite things is also the shovel underneath the hood. All right, guys. I hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at this car, and maybe we'll take a look at some of the other cars here at the Car Cave. It's one of those treasures here in Aiken, South Carolina that a lot of people don't know about, but is a really cool place to visit. They've got a showroom that you can just walk around, and it's more like a car show. All truly beautiful cars, but you really do need to check them out. All of their information's in the description below. Make sure you like, subscribe. We'll catch you next time.